If you want to optimize your Amazon store and take your sales to the next level, JungleScout's tools are a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use JungleScout's features to boost your Amazon business and improve your product listings with real data all in one place. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to try out JungleScout's tools yourself. First, let's talk about the product database. This is where you'll find your next bestseller. With JungleScout, you can filter through thousands of products and zero in on ones that fit your specific niche, profitability goals, and market demand. It's like having a treasure map for discovering the most profitable products to sell on Amazon without spending hours sifting through data manually. By narrowing down options by category, sales, and reviews, you can quickly identify high potential items that could give your store a significant boost. Next up is the Keyword Scout. One of the biggest challenges on Amazon is getting your products in front of the right people. That's where JungleScout's Keyword Scout comes in. This tool allows you to find the most relevant, high-traffic keywords for your products. You can see what shoppers are actually searching for, and more importantly, what your competition is ranking for. With this info, you can optimize your product listings and ads to make sure you're targeting the right audience, increasing visibility, and improving your chances of making sales. Don't waste time guessing. Let data lead the way. If you're looking to really fine-tune your product listings and give them a competitive edge, the Listing Builder is where you'll want to spend some time. This tool helps you create optimized listings that are proven to convert. It suggests keywords based on real-time Amazon data and shows you exactly where to place them for maximum impact. Whether it's your title, bullet points, or product description, JungleScout ensures you're using the right language to get noticed by both Amazon's algorithm and your customers. Another key feature is the Product Tracker, which allows you to monitor your competitors and track how your own products are performing. This tool gives you valuable insights into sales trends, pricing adjustments, and how your competitors are positioning themselves. Armed with this data, you can adjust your strategy to stay ahead of the game and keep your Amazon store performing at its best. JungleScout also offers a handy supplier database that helps you find reliable suppliers for your products. If you're looking to source goods, this tool can save you tons of time by showing you the most reputable manufacturers based on their shipping history and product volume. Whether you're getting started or scaling up, finding a trustworthy supplier is crucial to maintaining the quality and availability of your products. So, now you're probably wondering, how can I get started with all these amazing tools? Well, I've got good news. You can use JungleScout's powerful suite of tools for free by clicking the link below. Plus, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that'll help you hit the ground running. The best part? You get an extended free trial to test everything out for yourself. No strings attached. If you're serious about optimizing your Amazon store, JungleScout is the all-in-one solution you need. With tools designed to save you time, increase visibility, and improve your bottom line, it's an investment that'll pay off quickly. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended trial through the link below and start optimizing your Amazon store today.